Drug dealers raise the stakes again. The feds say that those pills are counterfeit.
They're showing up in communities across the country, including Omaha. In one recent case, police say a hotel housekeeper alerted them to 1,500 pills. It was at the Staybridge Suites near 78th and Dodge. Police say 47-year-old James Willett admitted to selling meth and fentanyl pills marked as oxycodone.
Cases like that are on the rise, prompting the DEA to issue a public health warning. KETV Newswatch 7's Michelle Bander investigates drugs in disguise.
The baby blue pill stamped with the letter M is supposed to be the prescription painkiller Oxycodone. But look again, it's tough to tell. These pills confiscated by the DEA are fake.
The pills look a lot like prescribed or manufactured oxycodone, and you have no idea what's in them.
Dr. Kenneth Azuha treats addiction at the University of Nebraska Medical Center. He says some of his patients don't fill prescriptions at pharmacies. They buy them illegally, not knowing what they are actually taking.
People are very willing to buy those off the street because they can get them.
The danger, law enforcement says, is what they're finding inside the pills.
Instead of having the active ingredient of the Oxycontin or oxycodone in it, it would have a different ingredient like fentanyl.
Sergeant Dave Bianchi heads up the Omaha Police Department Narcotics Unit. We're protecting his identity.
If they're not being made in the labs that have regulations and restrictions, and they're being made in a clandestine lab, you're not going to get the quality. And the people that are making clandestine pills probably really don't care about the quality.
The DEA is investigating what's inside the counterfeit drugs. It discovered 27% of pills seized nationwide contain potentially deadly doses of fentanyl. The DEA says the dangerous counterfeit pills are, quote, killing Americans. It says Mexican drug cartels are manufacturing mass quantities of the deadly synthetic opioid, which it says remains the primary driver behind the ongoing opioid crisis.
The counterfeit oxycodone or Oxycontin, they're both the same medicine, just in different formulations, is being made mostly in China and then shipped over to Mexico and then up to the United States or straight to the United States.
We have discovered that we do have some counterfeit pills here.
Laced with fentanyl?
We have some that have come back with fentanyl in them, yes.
Officers say this tiny amount of fentanyl can be deadly, and with it now showing up disguised as something else is alarming, Bianchi says.
The scary part of not knowing what is in there is, like I say, it could be something more deadly than fentanyl. It could be rat poison, or it could be anything.
For KETV Newswatch 7 Investigates, I'm Michelle Bander.
Now, Omaha police say they haven't seen any overdoses or deaths because of those counterfeit pills yet.
Crime Stoppers offers an enhanced reward for tips that take drug dealers and opioids off our streets.
Yeah, you can get $5,000 for information leading to an arrest. So call, text, or email Crime Stoppers, and you never have to give your name.